the Paula P cocktail. What? That's right, Paula P cocktail. I was doing a party one time for a bunch of adult entertainers, beautiful females, okay? The syrup that was put on the French toast was this pomegranate syrup that had these components to it. One of the ladies said, I bet this would taste great as a cocktail, and guess what? Chef Winston did it. We've got a Paula P. Her name was Paula P for Paula Passion. That's what we're gonna create for you guys today. So what I got is some ice. Get a nice little tall glass, put some ice in there, okay? It's gonna be oh so good. This recipe is also in the cookbook, so follow along and you guys gonna have some good old time on your party nights, okay? What I got, some vodka. Add some vodka to this. Don't be shy with your vodka. I got some pomegranate liqueur. That's right, pomegranate liqueur, followed with some orange juice. Right behind that, hit it with some cranberry. And I'm gonna float some soda on top of that. Ah, yes! Okay? Garnish it up with a little bit of fresh pomegranate seeds. Okay? And let's make it look good. Let's put a little orange garnish on here and give this bad boy a taste and see what we're working with, okay? Put this on here. Ooh. Yes! Put a straw. Put a straw in here. Guys, what do you think about that? That's looking good, don't it? The Paula P. The P stands for passion. Let's give this a taste. Stir it up. Look at all the pearls of that pomegranate. And let's taste. Woo! This right here is a winner. This will go perfect for the dish that I'm trying to prepare. I'm going to prepare for you guys right now. The creamy Cajun shrimp scampi primavera. Cheers.